What's going on, people? Happy Friday to you. Hope you had a great week. And here we are at Money Making Secrets of Mind Power Masters, article number 10 that I will be reading to you. This one is called The 8 Myths About Creating Wealth by Nikola Grubisa. And once again, this is from the free ebook you can download over at the website mindpowernews.com. The ebook is called Money Making Secrets of Mind Power Masters. And I've been reading these out loud to you with the intention of you'd be able to re-listen to these recordings over and over again, whether you're getting ready for work or you're driving around in your car, or basically whenever you have a free moment, you can take just a couple minutes just to listen to these powerful articles about how you can program your subconscious mind and create your highest and best use of reality. So if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment below with your feedback on how these articles that I've been reading out loud to you have been helping you to achieve your goals, to create more success in your life and business, and to basically just be more of a useful and productive member of society. Because you are creating your highest and best use of reality. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. This one is called The 8 Myths About Creating Wealth by Nikola Grubisa. You have probably read or heard about various myths surrounding wealth and wealthy people, all of which hinder your quest for financial independence. Here are the most common and most destructive. Myth number 1. How much you earn depends on how hard you work. If this were true, then the physical blue-collar workers who have been working hard for years would have been the wealthiest people on earth. Of course, this isn't true. They form most of the workforce and the vast majority of the middle class. If you witnessed your parents coming home tired from a long day's work in your youth, you probably learned that money wasn't a sufficient reward for all that effort. People who work just for the money often have debts because they comfort themselves with whatever they can buy, beautiful things they lack when working. Myth number 2. Being paid for something you enjoy isn't work, and you shouldn't ask for money for doing something that is enjoyable. Check this with millionaires. They all have so much money that they don't need to work anymore. Nevertheless, they work for other reasons: challenge, satisfaction, fullness of life, activity, fun, and all are connected to a love for their work. If there was no joy in doing a certain task, they would do something else that would make them much happier and that enables them to realize their dreams. In fact, if you don't enjoy your work, you will never become wealthy doing it. However, just because you enjoy your work doesn't mean you shouldn't get paid for it. In fact, that is the ultimate goal, to get paid for what you already enjoy so it never feels like you are at work. Myth number 3. You need to be in the right line of business to amass wealth. Do you think so? This must mean that all the people who are involved in the same businesses are millionaires. Of course, this isn't true. In each business, there are winners and losers. Winners abound, even in businesses that consist of distasteful to most or impossible work like sweeping the streets, collecting the trash, working in a factory, pumping gas, selling newspapers, etc. On the other hand, there are just as many losers in businesses like selling real estate, management, or being a stockbroker. Myth number 4. You need the right education to make a fortune. Are the most educated people really the wealthiest? Not at all. In this case, university professors would be the wealthiest people on earth. Ask them about their salaries if you get the opportunity. The truth is vastly different. The wealthiest people are those who can convert their knowledge or education into money in the best possible way. They can be highly educated people, like inventors or scientists, etc., or almost ignorant. Being formally uneducated does not equate to poor performance on the job or the inability to form a strong enough vision to carry a person to success. They can easily be experts without having a formal education. Myth number 5. It used to be easier. Statistics show an increase in the number of millionaires in the world every year. Talking about the good old times only offers comfort and a convenient excuse. If you look around, you'll see there are people who behave the same way in the good old times as they do now, yet their success has been recent. With technology and progress come new ideas, desires, and needs, and there are more business opportunities appearing daily to serve them. Myth number 6, I'm too old, or I'm too young. If you research the life stories of some of the most successful people, you'll see that this isn't true at all. Some became wealthy early in their lives, perhaps from the stock market, while others found their fortune in their old age. Ray Kroc was more than 50 years old when he bought and made the first McDonald's. Myth number 7, I don't have enough money to start. You have to spend money to make money. This is no different from any other excuse or myth. Like the others, it's obvious this one isn't true either. Many have made their fortunes starting from scratch, living in an apartment or working out of their garage, and yet they developed business empires that are worth billions of dollars today. The other elements of success are far more important than having seed money to start a business. Yes, often money helps, and it certainly doesn't hurt. Like everything else discussed in other myths, it probably helps, but it is not always necessary. And myth number 8, I'll begin when I know everything. Do you believe that you will know everything someday? Or even that you'll know enough to ever be really prepared now? The more you learn, the more you see what you still need to learn. Success and obtaining wealth is a dynamic process. Even if you could come out of the gate knowing everything there is to know, some of those elements will change immediately, and many will change rapidly. If you don't decide now, nothing will happen. Live and learn. Some millionaires have even allowed themselves to go bankrupt, and then, even faster, recreated their wealth, sometimes even greater than before. Money itself isn't the obstacle that is keeping you from being wealthy. Exercise taking action as much as you can. Make your workplace better or more efficient. After all, even if someone else signs your paycheck, you really work for you. Even if you're an employee in a large corporation, and it isn't your corporation, but it is the only corporation through which you can prove that what you are capable of right now. All of us have what it takes to become a millionaire. Born winners, yet few of us know how to take advantage of and cultivate the possibilities hidden inside your own mind. No one can ever grant you greater potential than your heart already holds. You need only discover its contents to find the one true path to your success in life. Born with the seeds to our success, the greatest decisions must always come from the inside. You will discover a new, deep well of fortune yourself. And once again, that was an article by Nikola Grubisa called The 8 Myths About Creating Wealth. A little bit about Nikola Grubisa. He is a European marketing and HRM consultant and the co-author of a European bestseller, The Millionaire Mindset, How to Tap Real Wealth from Within. And once again, these are articles from the free ebook, Money Making Secrets of Mind Power Masters, which is available as a free download from the website mindpowernews.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out mindpowernews.com and grab yourself a free copy of this ebook. But I will be reading the articles from this ebook on a nightly basis, and I want you to be listening to these over and over again to help you to just fill your mind full of positive, useful information that will ultimately be useful in helping you to rise up and create your highest and best use of reality. So thanks again for checking this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.